I want to talk about a marketing strategy for your website. So this is going to help you to drive more traffic to your website in an ethical way, because what I'm seeing a lot of people do is kind of screw things up because they're looking at social media, they're looking at forums, Reddit, places that we can post content and links. And what they're doing is they're just kind of diving straight in there and they're posting links directly to their own website, or affiliate links, or sales pages, or squeeze pages. So what happens when you do that? More often than not, you're just going to waste your time, because people don't like self-promotion, generally speaking. There are some instances when it's acceptable, but generally, if you post on someone's Facebook group, for example, or on a subreddit, it's going to get shut down. People are going to be annoyed with you, or it's going to get deleted, and possibly you're going to get banned for engaging in that type of marketing. So what do? How do we still promote the stuff that we've got, but do it in kind of like a more stealthy way? Because I know you guys will want to get maximum results with the minimum effort. That's fair enough. That's human nature, right? But you also want to have a good reputation while you're doing it. And I know that you want to deliver value to your potential customers, your prospects. So how do we do that? So, well, we need a bridge page. And I know in affiliate marketing, a bridge page is one thing. I'm not talking about that. This is something completely different. So what we do is, instead of jumping straight into forums and subreddits, what have you, and posting links directly from that to our pages or our offers, we create a page on someone else's website. Ideally, it's going to be a well-respected site that is open to the public, that anyone can use and create content on. On this, we create content there that acts as a bridge. So here we do a little bit of content curation. So instead of just putting a link on this bridge to our offers or our content, instead of that, what we do is we look at what else is happening in the marketplace. We look at who else is creating content that is similar to ours, that has some kind of benefit to the audience. And what you could do is actually map out the journey, the customer journey that they will go on in solving a particular problem. So let's use building a website as an example. So the first thing someone needs to do is choose a niche, then register a domain name, then get web hosting, right? So if that's our example, what we could do is create a list on these bridge pages that the very first link helps them to solve the first step on that problem, on that journey. So the second link will be the next step, and the third link will be the next step after that. And all of these links go to different sources, different websites. So the very first link, because that's going to get the maximum number of clicks, is going to point to your website. Then the second link will point to someone else's website, and then so on, so on. So when we do this, we now have a resource, a valuable resource that we have compiled. We have curated the content from other sources, put it together, it almost like a step-by-step plan. And now we can promote that bridge page on Reddit, on forums, on, wherever we want. And this acts as, I suppose it's a stealthy way to promote your own stuff, right? So you're not doing strictly self-promotion. You're actually providing something of real, genuine value to the people who have a problem. They're looking on these on forums and Reddit and social media for a solution. You're giving them that solution, but you're also recommending your website as the number one, as the very first point of entry into solving this problem. So that's a stealthy way to drive traffic to your site. I'm actually going to delve into this in a bit more detail on the Profit Copilot YouTube channel, because as you probably know, that's really where the real the meat stuff is. And then this channel is just about my thoughts, feelings and opinions on stuff and the kind of ideas that I'm generating for Profit Copilot. So you get to see a little bit of the behind the scenes stuff that goes into running that channel. So I'm going to delve into this idea in a lot more detail on Profit Copilot. I'm going to give you a resource that I've been using. I've been testing this and it works really well. So I'm going to give you one of the resources that I've started using and getting results from. Okay, not huge results, not yet, but it looks like there's some serious potential with it. So if you head over to the Profit Copilot YouTube channel, you're going to see how I use one resource in particular to make this whole thing work. And that should be online probably maybe today, maybe tomorrow, not too sure. Anyway, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Oh, and subscribe if you found this useful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Take care.